A chipmunk. Invading its territory here a little bit. I'm here at this, under this beech tree. Little beech tree. One of the foods you'll find this time of year. You always tell a beech tree it's got the smooth bark, but that's not what this I just found. I love this little, looks like a stream, but these are artesian wells. You find them like this once in a while. Love this moss. A lot of jewelweed growing, which is a good indicator. It's good clean water. I always love how it just bubble right out of the ground like this. Good drinking water right there. Something to fill my canteen up. I'm going to do a little bit of hiking. I've had a very wet year, so it's a really good year for water. Really not going to go thirsty this year, I'll tell you that. That was quite a hike. All these switchbacks up here. I always come up on a hot, humid day. Actually, last time I was up here, it was cold and humid. It's about a foot of snow. Today's a hot one, though. This is the main waters of Grove Run. And you get up this valley and get up here and come to this bridge, and you crosses the grove and it keeps going up. There's a waterfall. I'll show it to you. This is what all I hiked up. There's this cute little waterfall right here. Really a beautiful spot in the autumn. There's actually some wild trout, brook trout that are in there. They're native trout. It goes up this valley. I'm kind of counting here by my hand. About 3.5, 4 hours of daylight left, so I'm going to have to kind of get moving here. I hurt my foot the other day, so I'm kind of taking it slowly. This is an interesting sort of area. This is interesting. How the water makes these perfectly round holes in the ground. Let's see it a little better. I came up here, made it up to the trail register. They put in this this metal box. It's really sad because it should be in a plastic bag and someone stole the bag. And it got all wet. You probably have, let's see, it goes back to 2000, I believe. So about 13 years worth of people writing in here. A lot of really, really deep spiritual stuff. I mean, this is something you'd really want to put in a book. And it just got ruined. It got wet. And you can't even take the pages apart anymore. This thing's all ruined. Look at this. But it. Here I'm at another artesian well, and this is actually, when you go down the Grove Run, you get water. They have a place that you can fill a water jug up and stuff like that. This is where it comes from. It goes right down the hill, and the road's probably about 100 yards down there, and I think they purify it or something. All this tree that's been fallen down explains to me why it has a very woody taste, oaky taste to it. Pretty neat. I've always drank from that spring, but I never knew exactly where it first came out of the mountain at. Kind of neat. You know, going up here, you get to see a lot of these different streams and waterfalls and springs and different water sources, and it really makes you appreciative of fresh water. Now I have my water bottle that I use, my Sawyer water filter, that'll make practically any water drinkable, but fresh water is a big thing. A lot of places in the world, a lot of people don't have it. And when you get up here, especially back there, that's actually considered supposedly a magical spring where if you drink from it, it'll heal you or whatever. Not too sure if that's real or not. I always feel more revigorated when I'm drinking from it after a long hike, so it might be true.